Good morning, children. Today we are going to do in grammar chapter 7 action words are verbs. What are action words? Action words are verbs. Let's do. Read these sentences given below. Notice how the action words add meanings to them. I drink milk every day. I play football with my friends. I eat eggs every day. Film stars act in movies. Again, I drink milk every day. I play football with my friends. I eat eggs every day. Film stars act in movies. So dear children, over here you can see in blue color the action words are given. 2 number. See how the action words tell us about animal sounds. Dogs bark, cats mew, ducks quack, lions roar. Now you can see over here, see ducks are there, how they are saying quack, quack, quack. So the action which they are doing, it is called action words. Words that tell us what someone or something does are called verbs. What are words? Someone or something does are called verbs. They are also known as action words or doing words. Action word also they are known as, plus they are known as doing word. See, in this exercise we saw, I drink milk every day. So drink is what? Action word. You are drinking. You are not saying that I drank the milk half an hour before. You drink milk. So this is your action words. I play football with my friends. I play football with my friends. That is an action word. I eat eggs. Just now what you are doing, you are eating. So that is an eating. That is an action word going on. Film stars act in movies. What the film stars do? They act in movies. Let's practice. Read these sentences and circle the words. Some sentences may have more than one action word. The first one has been done for you. We will do this exercise slowly, you will come to know. I see a beetle. सी पे सर्कल किया है, क्यों? उसने बीटल को देखा है. सेकेंड बी इज व्हाट? द बीटल लिव्स इन ए पाइप. बीटल कहाँ पे रहता है? पाइप में. तो लीव्स वी हैव टू सर्कल ऑन लीव्स बिकॉज इट इज एन एक्शन वर्ड. व्हेन आई टेक अ बाथ ही कम्स डाउन द पाइप. नाउ टेक अ बाथ. Take a bath is also an action word and comes down is also an action word. Now we'll go to the next page. D. We wash and wipe together. What happens over here? Wash and wipe together. So wash and wipe you do circle. When it rains, the beetle goes up the pipe. So when it rains, circle on rain and goes also is an action word. So circle on rains and goes. When the sun comes out, the beetle also comes out. So comes and both the comes circle. I call the beetle. I call the beetle. So call is also an action word. Circle on call. We play again. Play is an action word. Circle on play. So what we did? We circle on see, leaves, take, comes, wash, wipe, rains, goes, comes, call, play. Now over here what we have to do? Write down all the action words you have circled. What we have to do? Write down all the action words you have circled. So SEEEC, LIVES leaves, TAKE take, COMES, comes. WASH, wash. WIPE, wipe. RAINS, rains. GOES, goes. COMES, comes. COMES, comes. CALL, call. PLAY, play. These are all action words. Now let's learn. Look at the box below. It tells us which verb form goes with which noun or pronoun. ये जो टेबल दिया गया है, ये जो बॉक्स दिया गया है, we have to tell कि कौन सा verb वो नाउन के साथ जाता है या फिर प्रोनाउन के साथ जाता है. Now we will read from the box first. Who? I, we. You. Rajni and Rajiv. They. Rajni, she. Rajiv, he. The bird, it. Form of verbs. All are what? Sing, sing, sing. Here it is sings, sings, sings. Now we'll look what it is. Verbs with I, we, you, they and plurals do not take S or ES. Verbs जो I, we, you, they and plurals do not take S or ES. S और ES उसमें नहीं होता verbs में. Say example. I like cakes. We like cakes. Now we is a plural form, but over here is what? We have to add S over here. We like cakes. You like cakes. They like cakes. Children like cakes. We'll go to the next page. Usually verb with singular noun and pronoun take S or ES. सिंगुलर होता है या फिर प्रोनाउन होता है, उसमें एस और ES होता है. सी एग्जाम्पल. ही लाइक्स स्वीट्स. द गर्ल लाइक्स स्वीट. द गर्ल इज वॉट? थर्ड पर्सन. द गर्ल इज प्लूरल, बट ओवर हियर लाइक्स स्वीट्स इट इज written plural. Bala likes sweets. She likes sweets. Rajiv likes sweets. Everyone likes sweets. We'll do this exercise, we'll come to know. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verbs. One has been done for you. हमें क्या करना है? ब्लैंक्स फिल अप करना है. ब्रैकेट में उसके verbs दिए गए हैं, हमें चेक करके भरना है, लिखना है उसमें ब्लैंक्स में. We dash in a large city. Now over here we is what? It is a plural form, right? So over here we will write singular LIVE, live. My mother dash works in a bank. Now here my mother is singular, so we'll write plural form over here, works. My mother works in a bank. She also looks after the house. My father works. My father is singular, but we'll write over here because third person, so we'll write works over here. In an office. He loves to cook. Sometimes they cook. Now over here they is plural, so over here what it will come? Singular only, we'll write cook. A nice meal together. We is plural, so SPEND, spend, will write over singular. We won't write spends because it is already plural form, it is starting. Our holidays in hill station. We all love mountains and trees. My best friend writes to me when I'm happy. Over here it is said my, not our. Right, so my is a singular only, so here then you have to write plural over here. Now again we will read the paragraph. We live in a large city. My mother works in a bank. She also looks after the house. My father works in an office. He loves to cook. Sometimes they cook a nice meal together. We spend our holidays in hill station. We all love mountains and trees. My best friend writes to me when I am away. Correct form of verbs we have to fill it up. So in the blanks which we have filled it up is verb and their correct form. Now we'll go to the next page. Fill in the blanks with correct answer. Now over here what we have to do? We have to fill it up the blanks with correct answer. सही जवाब हमें इस blanks में लिखना है. Now see. A frog dash in a well with very little water and a lot of mud. Now over here a frog. We are talking about single frog. A frog it is there. It is not said frogs. So over here a frog is there. So what we will write over here? Leaves. L-I-V-E-S. Leaves. He dash and dash in the water. So again we are talking about single frog. So here it will become plural. He hops and jumps in the water and crawls in the soft mud. We are talking about single frog only. So over here we have to add s after each verb. When there is no rain, the well becomes dry. Become का it will become, becomes we have to add s, so it becomes. The frog has to live in the mud. He tells a turtle from the ocean how comfortable the well is with water and with mud. He tells. He is singular. Over here we have written verb, we have add s, so it becomes tells. He invites the turtle to come and live in the shallow well. Again he is a singular. So invites it will come. The turtle says, if it does not rain for years, the ocean will not dry up. Now what the other turtle says to the frog? Okay, if it does not rain for years, the ocean will not dry up. The turtle likes a lot of water and not mud. The turtle thinks both love their own place. Everyone should live where they like it. Now where both is there, so we have not add s with love, love. We have written only love over here. So once again we will read the paragraph. A frog lives in a well with very little water and a lot of mud. He hops and jumps in the water and crawls in the soft mud. When there is no rain in the well becomes dry. The frog has to live in the mud. He tells a turtle from the ocean how comfortable the well is with water and with mud. He invites the turtle to come and live in the shallow well. The turtle says, if it does not rain for years, the ocean will not dry up. The turtle will not dry up. The turtle likes a lot of water and not mud. The turtle thinks both love their own place. Everyone should live where they like it. Now we'll go to the next page. Correct the mistakes in the verbs in the given sentence. We have to correct the mistake. Now you see over here, remember what it says. Verbs with I, we, you, they, are and plurals do not take s और es. I, we, you, they होते हैं और plurals form में होते हैं, लोग s और es नहीं ऐड करते. Usually verbs with singular noun और प्रोनाउन, सिंगुलर नाउन होता है या फिर प्रोनाउन होता है सिंगुलर फॉर्म में, तो एस और ई एस टेक्स. वी विल सी ओवर हियर. I jumps, shouts and laugh. So I is what? It is singular. So we will not add s or es. So I jump, shout and laugh. Then I jumps some more. So what I have written over here? Then I jump some more. Then I whistle and sits down. Then I whistle and sit down. My friend read, eat and sleep. My friend it is. So we will add over here what? S. Reads, eats and sleeps. Over here it is what? I whistle. So and sits. So I is a singular over here. So I will write only whistle and sit. But over here it is said my friend we are talking about. We are not specially mentioning the name. It is talking about any friend. So reads, eats and sleep. He sleeps some more. So what it is? He sleeps some more. He is a singular, right? So he sleeps some more. He get up and walk for a while. He gets up and walks for a while. Together we paints pictures. We plays together. So together we paint pictures and we play together. After we play, will not add s, will say only we play together. Over here also together we paints, so we'll write only paint. We study for a while. So here we'll studies it is. So we study for a while only will come. We throws a ball and we can catch the ball. So we throw a ball and we catch the ball. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Now look here. Match the nouns with the verbs to make complete sentence, then read the sentence aloud. Over here we have to do matching with the nouns with the verb. So whales, sings. What does whale does? Sing. Flies, buzz. You can see matching is done. Flies, buzz. Frogs, croaks. Then bird, chirps. Elephant, trumpets. Snakes, hiss. Horses, neigh. Tigers, growl. Hyena, laugh. Cows, moves. So dear children, this is your activity which you have to do, matching one in your grammar textbook. Write all this exercise in your grammar textbook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.